Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to duplicate a Confluence page. First, go ahead and log into your account. Once inside, on the left panel, select on the space that contains the page that you want to duplicate. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to publish that page. So go ahead on that page. If it is not yet published, just click on the button on the upper ribbon. Then click on Publish. Once that is done, what you need to do now is to duplicate that page. To do that, click on the three dots or the ellipsis besides that page name. Then from the option, you now have a duplicate. So go ahead and click on that. Now, just select a space where you want it to be and select the parent of that page. Once done, click on the duplicate button. Now just wait for it to load. And there you have it. You now have a duplicate of the page that you selected. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.